We all know that the oil-absorbing property of Fuller's Earth, Multani Mitti, is very effective, especially if you have acne on your face. It helps treat acne, balance and brighten skin tone, and reduce pigmentation. This DIY acne face mask will help you get rid of acne and dull complexion. The ingredients you need to prepare this face mask are 2 teaspoons of Fuller's Earth, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 2 drops of tea tree oil. The strong antibacterial properties of tea tree oil help to reduce acne-causing bacteria on the skin and prevent it from reappearing. Mix them well with the help of rose water to get a homogeneous paste. Apply it to your face for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off your face and apply moisturizer. You will notice your face has an instant glow. For better results, use this mask thrice a week.